Hi there. Finding the 5 best digital piano for classical pianists worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Yamaha YDP 144 Arius series piano. Up first we have a piano produced by a legend in the keyboard game. Yamaha makes some of the best stuff out there, including the Arius. This unit is on our list to mix a high-quality cosmetic design with top-tier performance. This keyboard has all the appearance of an upright piano. It is also equally equipped. You get the furniture caliber stand, a bench, and 3 pedals. The keys are also fully weighted to further improve on the effect. But moving away from cosmetic touches, it also plays very well. The sound engine is designed to reproduce the quality of a concert caliber grand piano. And of course, you also get all the benefits of any good digital piano. It comes with an onboard recorder, and 50 pre-programmed songs. We didn't find a lot to complain about either. The texture of the keys are a little bit off. If you are expecting a true ivory feel, you may be disappointed. Synthetic materials almost never completely replicate the real thing, so this is no surprise. Number 2. Our second best pick is Casio Privia digital piano. Next up we have a Casio. This piano is a little bit simpler than the last that we saw, but it comes from another giant in the keyboard game. If you are looking for something that is a little bit more moderately priced, this will be one to consider. Though this keyboard is on the basic side, you get the features that count. It features 2 high-powered speakers, headphone jacks, and fully weighted keys. You also get 18 pre-programmed piano tunes so that there is always something to suit the ear. The keyboard is also just extremely responsive. It features tri-sensor technology to pick up even subtle keystrokes. The biggest issue that we noticed was the quality of the keys make. While they do look and perform like an acoustic unit, they do feature an issue that betrays their synthetic nature. Namely, the keys squeak. However, if you are an experienced pianist that demands perfection, this will probably get frustrating over time. Number 3. Our third best pick is Roland Premium Digital Stage Piano. On the very opposite end of the price spectrum, we have the Roland Stage Piano. This keyboard is pricey, but you do get what you pay for. If you are looking for pro-quality sound with all the bells and whistles, this will be an option to think hard about. The Roland features a 128-voice polyphony for rich sound quality. It also maximizes your control over the playing process. The interface comes with 8 knobs and 9 sliders for the ability to adjust your sound in real time. This truly is a performer's piano. The 2 different sound engines put the icing on the cake. One sound engine is dedicated strictly to producing a pure, rich acoustic piano sound. The other is designed for accommodating additional sounds. The only issue that we had with this keyboard is the price. This is the most expensive option we have seen so far. Like we said, you do get what you pay for, but the cost may eliminate it as an option for many people. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Yamaha Weighted Action Digital Piano. Up next we have another option from Yamaha. The P71 is a bare-bones package that forgoes the pedals, stands, and benches. You just get the keyboard itself here. However, the price is right, and so are the features. The P71 includes the weighted keys one would expect from a high-performing keyboard. You also get 10 different voices, and the ability to combine them at will using the dual play function. The ability to combine tones fosters creativity, and furnishes more richness to your playing. It's also just easy to use. The simple interface doesn't include lots of features, but beginners will have no trouble adapting to it. If you are just starting out and you want a high-quality keyboard to learn on, this is a great option. Simplicity aside, the biggest issue that we found was in the keys. While they are made to look and feel like the real thing, they don't quite perform that way. We found that for fast-paced pieces, they tend to make a clicking sound. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Kawai KDP-1 2088 key digital piano. Up next we have a true furniture piece. In fact, from a distance, we would wager that most people wouldn't be able to distinguish it from an upright acoustic. To further enhance the illusion, it also features wooden keys that will look and feel like an acoustic keyboard. It's also very versatile. You get 192 internal sounds, 22 effects, and 29 pre-programmed songs. And, of course, it also just features a high-quality sound system that will really enhance the music that you play. Of course, as is the case with all of the pianos that we have seen here, the CE220 is not without flaws. The high price seems mostly attributable to the wooden keys, and the stand. The stand is actually where we find our other issue. For the most part, it is high quality, but like some of the others we have seen, it is a little bit vulnerable to cosmetic wear. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.